Discover the top 5 camping dish sets for 2024. From the eco-friendly Teivio wheat straw set to the rugged Stanley Adventure Cook Set, we've reviewed the best outdoor tableware to enhance your adventures. Whether you're hiking, camping, or tailgating, find the perfect set for your needs. Let's dive into these must-have camping dish sets that combine durability, style, and practicality. Number 5. The Teivio 32-piece kitchen plastic wheat straw dinnerware set is a practical and eco-friendly choice for modern kitchens. Made from a combination of wheat straw and plastic, this set is lightweight yet durable, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It includes dinner plates, dessert plates, cereal bowls, and cups, serving 8 people. One of the standout features of this set is its unbreakable design, which makes it ideal for families with kids, apartment living, or outdoor activities like camping and picnics. The material is 100% BPA-free, ensuring safety without sacrificing quality. The sleek black color and smooth, solid pattern give the set a modern, minimalist look, while the wheat straw adds a touch of eco-consciousness. The stackable design saves space in cabinets, and the set is both dishwasher and freezer safe, adding to its convenience. However, it is not microwave safe, which is something to keep in mind. Despite this, the ease of cleaning and the overall durability make it a low-maintenance option for daily use. In summary, the Teivio dinnerware set is an excellent choice for those who value sustainability, functionality, and style. Its affordability, combined with the modern design and eco-friendly material, makes it a smart addition to any home. Whether you're hosting a casual meal or enjoying a picnic, this set delivers on both aesthetics and practicality. Number 4. The Stanley Adventure Cook Set is a robust and versatile cookware set designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With 21 nested components, this stainless steel set is ideal for car camping, glamping, or group outings. It includes a 3.5-liter pot with a vented lid, a 7-inch frying pan, a cutting board, spatula, serving spoon, for plates, for bowls, for sporks, a dish drying rack, heat-resistant trivet, and a locking bungee. Built from 18 by 8 stainless steel, the set is durable, scratch-resistant, and rust-proof, ensuring it can withstand rugged outdoor use. The compact design is a standout feature, with all pieces nesting neatly together, making it easy to transport and store. The nesting feature, with instructions engraved on the lid, is particularly helpful for keeping the set organized on the go. In terms of performance, the frying pan and pot heat quickly, making meal preparation efficient. However, the frying pan's handle requires care, as it must be securely latched to avoid folding during use. The size of the plates and bowls may feel a bit small for large meals, but they work well for standard camping fare. Cleaning is simple with basic soap and water, although tougher food residues may need a steel wool scrub. The inclusion of a dish drying rack is a clever addition, offering convenience when washing up outdoors. Overall, the Stanley Adventure Cook Set is a well-thought-out, durable, and space-saving solution for campers, providing all the essentials needed for a comfortable outdoor dining experience. Number 3. The Stansport 24-piece Enamel camping tableware set is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and families who love camping or picnics. Made from durable alloy steel, this set includes everything you need for a complete dining experience for 4 people. It comes with 4 10.5-inch plates for 6-inch bowls, for 12 ounces mugs, and 4 sets of flatware, all coated with a double-layered blue enamel finish for added durability and visual appeal. One of the standout features of this set is its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to pack for camping or hiking trips. The dishes stack neatly together, saving space and making transportation hassle-free. However, while the dishes themselves are lightweight, the silverware may feel a bit heavy, especially for long hikes, so some might prefer to bring reusable plastic utensils for such occasions. The enamel coating ensures that the tableware is resistant to chipping and breaking, ideal for rugged outdoor use. Although the mugs are smaller than expected, they serve well for a quick cup of tea or coffee. The overall aesthetic is charming, with a classic blue speckled enamel that looks great at a campsite or picnic setting. In summary, The Stansport Enamel Camping Tableware Set is a solid investment for outdoor dining. It's durable, easy to clean, and compact, making it perfect for family camping trips or picnics. Its lightweight nature and classic design make it a functional and attractive addition to any outdoor kit. Number 2. The Odoland 29-piece stainless steel utensils camping tableware kit is a comprehensive and durable set designed for outdoor dining. This kit includes everything needed for a meal for 4 people. For 6.3-inch bowls, 4 8-inch plates, for 10 ounces mugs, and 4 complete cutlery sets, forks, knives, spoons with cases. It even comes with a food-grade mesh bag for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, picnics, or beach outings. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the set is BPA-free, won't stain, and doesn't absorb odors, providing a long-lasting and safe alternative to plastic. The utensils are sturdy, and the plates and bowls are designed with recessed edges to prevent spills, especially when dining on uneven surfaces during camping trips. The included knife is sharp enough to cut through meat, adding to the practicality of this set. One of the most appreciated features is its ease of cleaning. The tableware is dishwasher safe and also easy to hand wash, which is convenient for those on the go. Despite being lightweight, the stainless steel material ensures the set is strong and durable, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. A minor drawback is the durability of the carrying bag, which some users found to be slightly less durable over time. However, the overall quality and utility of this kit make it a reliable choice for families and campers. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean, it's a great investment for outdoor adventures. Number 1. The Coleman 24-piece enamel dinnerware set is a stylish and durable outdoor dining solution, perfect for camping, picnics, tailgating, and more. Featuring a classic red speckled enamel design, this set includes 4 10-inch dinner plates for bowls and 4 coffee mugs. The set also comes with a silverware kit that includes forks, knives, and spoons, all neatly packed in a roll-up pouch for easy transport and organization. Crafted with double-fired enamelware, these dishes are not only sturdy but also lightweight, making them a better alternative to plastic without the risk of breaking. The enamel finish offers a timeless outdoor look while remaining durable enough to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Whether you're serving breakfast at a campsite or enjoying a picnic at the park, this set brings a touch of home comfort to any outdoor setting. Cleaning is hassle-free, as the entire set is dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your camping trips. However, some users have noted that the silverware sleeve isn't as durable as the rest of the set, with a few reporting that it tore upon first use. Despite this minor drawback, the overall quality of the dinnerware remains impressive, especially the enamel dishes. Whether you're a frequent camper or just love outdoor dining, the Coleman set is a reliable and stylish option that will elevate your outdoor eating experience. Its portability and durability make it a great gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks for watching our roundup of the 5 best camping dish sets 2024. Whether you're looking for eco-friendly options like the Teivio wheat straw set or durable picks like the Stanley Adventure Cook Set, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews and tips. Share your favorite camping dish set in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next adventure.